Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to fix the problem of Google search not working on Chrome mobile. So to do that, let's head over to our Chrome browser and head over to your Chrome, and here go to your My Activity. This may take a while. You can go to My Activity from any other app too. I'm heading over to my Drive. And here, go to your profile. I'll go to manage your Google account. And in here, search, keep tab on the search icon on the top right. Now go to browsing data. I'll search for it. And here you will find the browsing data in Chrome. So you can directly clear your browsing data from here, or you can just reset the settings. So how to do that, let me show you. Go to your Google account. So go to the Chrome, and in here just tap on the three lines. Now go to delete activity by, and it will help you to delete the activity, and you can turn off the web and app activity. And yeah, after this is done, then just try to update your Chrome. If update is available, you can go to the Play Store and search for Chrome. And see if there is any update available. If there is, make sure to update your Chrome, and Huggies problem will not be there anymore. And I hope to see you in the next video.